Have you ever wondered about the central themes that shape one of the world's most influential religious texts, the Qur'an? This book, revered by millions, holds a significant place in the tapestry of human history and spiritual exploration. It is more than just a religious text. It is a complex work of literature that has inspired profound thought, interpretation, and discourse for centuries. Our exploration today is not just about understanding the Qur'an, but also appreciating its structure, the themes it explores, and its unique position among other sacred texts. We will delve deep into the heart of this remarkable book, shedding light on its key elements and drawing comparisons with other religious manuscripts. Every page, every verse, every word of the Qur'an carries a weight of meaning that has shaped civilizations and individual lives alike. So, are you ready to explore this fascinating world? Embark on this enlightening journey as we delve into the intricacies of the Qur'an. The Qur'an, the Holy Book of Islam, is a text revered by millions around the globe. It's not just a book, but a guide, a roadmap of life, and a source of comfort for countless individuals. The Qur'an, in its essence, is a collection of revelations received by the Prophet Muhammad over a span of approximately 23 years. Now let's delve a little deeper into its composition. The Qur'an is written in classical Arabic, the language of the Arabian Peninsula during the 7th century. This language is known for its poetic nature, adding a layer of beauty and rhythm to the text that is said to be inimitable. It's worth noting that the original text of the Qur'an has remained unchanged since its revelation, a testament to its authenticity and preservation. The Qur'an is meticulously structured, divided into 114 chapters known as surahs. These surahs vary in length and are not arranged in the order of their revelation, but rather generally from the longest to the shortest. Each surah, except for one, begins with Bismillah al-Rahman al-Rahim, which translates to, "In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful." Within these surahs, the teachings are broken down into verses, or ayahs. There are over 6,000 verses in the Qur'an, each carrying its weight of wisdom and guidance. These verses touch upon various aspects of life, including spirituality, morality, law, and even natural phenomena. Speaking of order, the Qur'an was not revealed in chronological order. Instead, the revelations were intertwined with the life of the Prophet Muhammad, responding to the circumstances and challenges faced by the early Muslim community. This unique feature makes the Qur'an not just a book, but a living narrative of a community's spiritual journey. The Qur'an's structure is a testament to its complexity and depth, offering a rich tapestry of themes and teachings. From its rhythmic language to its intricate structure, the Qur'an stands as an enduring symbol of spiritual enlightenment and guidance. The Qur'an is not just a book, it's a guide filled with profound themes that offer a roadmap to a meaningful life. As we delve into this sacred text, we encounter a rich tapestry of themes that illuminate the core principles of Islam and offer insights into the human condition. A central theme echoing throughout the Quranic verses is monotheism, the belief in the oneness of God. In Islam, this concept is known as Tawheed. It's more than just the acceptance of a single deity, it's the assertion that there is no other entity worthy of worship. This theme is woven into the fabric of the Qur'an, emphasizing the omnipotence, omniscience, and omnipresence of God. Alongside monotheism, morality holds a significant place in the Qur'an. The text provides a moral compass guiding believers in their interactions with others and the world around them. It champions virtues such as honesty, compassion, and humility, while discouraging deceit, arrogance, and greed. The Qur'an underscores the importance of leading a righteous life, with the understanding that our actions in this world have consequences in the hereafter. The theme of life after death, or akhirah, is a cornerstone of Quranic teachings. The Qur'an vividly describes the day of judgment when each soul will be held accountable for its deeds. It paints a picture of eternal paradise, Jannah, for the righteous, and a place of punishment, Jahannam, for those who transgress. This theme serves as a potent reminder of the transient nature of our earthly existence and the eternal reality that awaits us. The prophethood of Muhammad is another key theme in the Qur'an. The text regards Muhammad as the last in a long line of prophets sent to guide humanity with the word of God. His life, as depicted in the Qur'an, serves as an exemplar of moral conduct, humility, and devotion to God. The Qur'an frequently refers to Muhammad as a mercy to the worlds, emphasizing his universal message of peace and compassion. These themes are not isolated strands of thought. Instead, they intertwine to create a comprehensive guide for Muslims. Monotheism forms the foundation upon which moral conduct is built, with the understanding that our actions are observed and judged by God. The prophethood of Muhammad provides a practical model for implementing these moral teachings. The concept of life after death serves as both a promise of reward and a deterrent from wrongdoing, reinforcing the importance of living a virtuous life. These themes, deeply embedded within the Quran's verses, offer a window into the heart of Islamic teachings. They shape a believer's worldview, guiding their interactions and decisions in a way that aligns with the ethos of Islam. By understanding these themes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the Quran's profound influence on the lives of billions of individuals around the globe. While all religious texts offer spiritual guidance, each carries its unique features and perspectives. Diving into the nuances, we find that each sacred text, be it the Quran, the Bible, or the Torah, carries a distinct structure. The Quran, for instance, is organized into chapters or surahs, each carrying a different theme or message. These surahs are not arranged chronologically, but in an order believed to be divinely inspired. The Bible, on the other hand, is a collection of books, arranged in a broadly chronological order, divided into the Old and New Testaments. The Torah, comprising the first 5 books of the Hebrew Bible, unfolds in a linear narrative. The nature of revelation also varies across these texts. The Quran is believed to be the literal word of God, revealed to the Prophet Muhammad over a span of 23 years. This is in contrast to the Bible, where the divine inspiration is believed to have flowed through human authors, and the Torah, which is considered the direct word of God as revealed to Moses on Mount Sinai. As for themes, while all these texts share common ground on moral and ethical teachings, their theological perspectives differ. The Quran emphasizes monotheism, divine justice, and the importance of community. The Bible encompasses a wide range of themes, from the nature of God to the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. The Torah focuses on the covenant between God and the Jewish people, laying out laws and ethical guidelines. It's also interesting to note the distinct literary styles. The Quran is known for its poetic and rhythmic verses, often described as inimitable. The Bible exhibits a range of literary styles, from poetry and songs to narratives and parables. The Torah is primarily narrative, interspersed with laws and genealogical lists. Understanding these differences can foster mutual respect and interfaith dialogue, promoting a culture of tolerance and coexistence. We can appreciate the richness that each tradition brings to the human spiritual experience and recognize the shared quest for divine understanding and moral guidance that unites all religious texts. Our exploration of the Quran reveals a text rich in wisdom, moral guidance, and profound themes. As we wrap up our journey through this sacred text, let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've unpacked today. Firstly, we examine the structure of the Quran. It's divided into chapters known as surahs, which are then further subdivided into verses. This organization lends itself to the text's rhythmic quality, a characteristic that sets it apart from other religious texts and underscores its lyrical beauty. We also dove deep into the Quran's key themes: the oneness of God, the importance of righteousness, the promise of the afterlife, and the call for justice and equality. These themes are not merely abstract concepts, they are principles that shape the lives of over 1 billion Muslims worldwide. Next, we compared the Quran to other sacred texts. While all religious texts serve to guide their followers, the Quran stands out due to its comprehensive nature. It's not just a religious guide, but a complete code of life, addressing a wide range of topics from spirituality to social issues, economics, and politics. Moreover, we touched upon the Quran's impact and significance in the world today. It's not just a book revered by Muslims, it's a source of inspiration, a fountain of knowledge, and a guide for life for people of various faiths around the globe. Its influence extends beyond the realm of religion, permeating aspects of law, literature, and culture. Lastly, it's important to note that our exploration merely scratched the surface of the Quran's depth. Its intricate layers of meaning and context require rigorous study and reflection, thus making it a lifelong journey of discovery for those who seek its wisdom. In conclusion, the Quran is more than just a book. It's a testament to the human spirit's quest for divine wisdom and moral guidance. Its timeless themes and holistic approach to life resonate with individuals of all faiths, offering a unique perspective on spirituality and existence. Whether you're a scholar or a casual learner, the Quran's depth and complexity offer a wealth of knowledge worth exploring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.